So question is a cylinder having diameter of base 60 mm and 70 long axis is resting on its base on HP. Draw projection of cylinder when its axis making an angle 30 degree to the HP and torque of the axis inclined at 45 degree to the B. So this is the question. Okay. Now what is the solution of the question? So step by step I will explain here. When cylinder is there, when cylinder is resting on HP on its base, so you know that how many bases are there for the cylinder? How many? Two bases, bottom and top. And what is the shape of the base? Circle. When cylinder is resting on HP, and when you observe the cylinder from the top, what is the top view? Circle. And what is the front view? Front view is rectangle. So first step, draw XY line, reference axis. Then draw top view as a circle. Diameter is given 60 mm. Okay. So radius is 30. So with the radius 30 mm, you have to draw a circle. Divide this circle into 12 number of equal parts. 12 number of equal parts, or you can divide it into 8 number of equal parts also. So it has been divided, let us say 1 to 12. Center is, I have given O and S because two bases are there, that's why I have given two centers, O and S. Then take projection of each and every point vertically upwards. Okay, up to XY. Then from center line, axis height is given. How much axis height? 70 mm. So take 70 mm and complete the rectangle having the height 70 and your width is how much? 60. Clear? In front view, we will denote letters by dash. We will denote letters by dash. So 1 becomes 1 dash, 2 becomes 2 dash, okay, 12 dash, 3 dash. Like this, you have to give the lettering, okay, and show each and every generator of this cylinder. So this is stage number 1 of your solution. Next, it is mentioned that its axis is inclined at angle of 30 degree to the HP. What you have to do? Take any point on the XY and from that point, with the help of angle protractor, take angle how much? 30 degree. Draw a 30 degree line. Draw a 30 degree. That means you are rotating this front view around the axis at an angle of 30 degree. Then set your drafter scale along this 30 degree line. Other scale of the drafter exactly perpendicular. And you know the distance from this center, let's say 4 dash to 1 dash, it is how much? 30. You see this distance, how much it is? 30. This distance is 30. So move the drafter such that this 4 dash will be on XY and your 1 dash will, 4 dash will be on the center line and 1 dash will be on XY. And this line must be perpendicular. So this is 30, this is 30, totally 60. And give the name whatever it is mentioned here as it is. We are not changing any dimension, any name, any length. Only we are rotating. Then take 70 mm your height and complete this rectangle. So it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Immediately with the help of drafter, take downward projection line from each and every point. Understood? You can give letters and numbers both, okay, for understanding. After taking the vertical downward projection, then immediately take horizontal projection from the top view. Then you will get line coming from 1 dash and line coming from 1. So you have to give here intersection point 1, 1 or 1. So like this all points you have to locate. Okay. Then complete this cylinder. So outer boundary must be shown by continuous line. Outer curve also continuous, outer curve also continuous, outer boundary continuous line. Only thing is that which is far away from the observer. So let us say you are observing this cylinder from the top. So the points which are far away. So here you can find these points 4 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 7 dash, 12 dash, 2 dash. These are far away from the observer. So they have to show by hidden lines or dotted lines. So these are dotted. Okay. So here these points and this line is nearer to the observer. That's why it is dark. So this is the second stage, and you can find here center O and center S, S point, O point. So this is center line of your top. Then in third case it is mentioned that top view of the axis is inclined at 45 degree to the VP. So to draw third stage, you have to take reference of second stage. So in second stage, my axis is OS. Correct? My axis is OS. So first, with the help of angle protractor, take any point on the XY, and from that point, take angle or mark angle 45 degree. Draw 45 degree line. Set your one scale of the diopter at an angle of 45 degree. Other scale is exactly perpendicular. Now, what you are doing? You are rotating